It's Newsday Tuesday.
Hi, so I'm actually filming this on Monday night because I'm not going to have any time to do it on Tuesday. And so, I mean, none of this information is going to be, like, affected because it's the next day or so. Alright, first thing. Sonia Sotomayor, she is Barack Obama's nomination for Supreme Court Justice. She has been facing accusations from Republicans that, you know, she's racist, she's loud and obnoxious, she's, you know, blah blah blah, all these things, and there's a lot of things about her talking about being a Latina woman, and, you know, for some people that's not acceptable. She can't talk about that. Whatever. She just responded to their attacks, vowing that if she is confirmed to the court, she will be loyal to the impartiality of our American justice system. She'll be answering questions today, Tuesday, because yesterday, Monday, was when there were speeches from senators and from her. In economic news, scary, the U.S. deficit has climbed to $1 trillion, the highest it's ever been, and it could double by fall, which is mind-blowing. That is crazy. I'm terrified. And it doesn't bode well for the future because, you know, if we're so much in debt, other countries like China are like, well, because, you know, they own a very large percent of our debt. They're going to be like, well, you know, maybe we shouldn't lend to them anymore because clearly their economy sucks, which is completely true. It does. So here's hoping that somehow we can turn our economy around and, you know, try to at least chip away at this terrible, terrible, astronomical debt. Finally, a man in Lincolnshire, England, he's had hiccups for 2 years. They're so bad that they sometimes keep him from sleeping and eating. And he's only 25. He's tried like every single cure, including like alternative medicine like Reiki and stuff. And now he thinks he's finally found the answer. Apparently, a Japanese doctor found a 12-millimeter tumor in the back of his brain that they think is the source of these hiccups, which is crazy. And I suppose it's good that they finally found, you know, they seem to have finally found the cause, but at the same time, you know, obviously a tumor's never good, so. Alright, that's it for today's Newsday Tuesday. I will see everyone soon.